Alright. I think I got it ready. Just want to wait a minute on. Ooh, gold's really moving. Missed that one. Oh, I gotta share my screen. What's up? What's up, everybody? Good morning. So today might be weird because the most important news is at 2. So I'm going to take a buy above this for Fibonacci style. If it breaks above this candle. So we're in this area. So the first candle that breaks a high, if it stays in here, then I'll go long. But it's not looking too good.
Your future is at your fingertips. Take advantage of the flexibility and diversity of futures trading with NinjaTrader, the #1 rated futures broker. Start trading futures today.
29 seconds. Drink my coffee while I wait. Not looking too good. This really might be like one of those really weird days. So, we'll have to see. Not looking too good. This really might be like one of those really weird days. We see if it's working. So, like, if we get like 1 or 2 wrong in a row, then we probably need to sit on our hands and see in a couple minutes what's the next thing to do. So 1 or 2 wrong, you sit on your hands and you see if the market's going to give you a better like a sign like, hey, we're going to trend or we're just going to keep moving sideways, all weird. Because today is a very important day. It's FOMC meeting. Today is going to determine literally if stocks fall or rise because of the interest rates. Higher the interest rate, the more money that you would take out of the stock market. But everybody also knows if you lower the interest rate right now, you have a capability of collapsing the market because of inflation. So it's like pick your poison. Just keep it. They need to keep it. I'm going one right now. Off of Fibonacci. No signals yet. We're still waiting. It's all choppy right now, so we're not gonna do it. But that will determine basically what's gonna happen for. Might even make a recession if they did it too quick. I don't know if I like that one. All right, we gotta buy. Well, we gotta wait and see. And in reality, this is behind the buy, but I feel like this is gonna be with our confluence of our decision. So I'm gonna get in one more. And then we can hold one until it turns orange and yellow, and then we can get out one. But you see how it's not staking, and we already went below the cloud and up, so that's what I mean by a weird day. This is probably going to do a little mini pullback here too, and then blast up. But if it goes below it, then we're totally wrong. You need to get the F out. But our first target should be 789. And we already got a gray bar. So my indicator is kind of already telling you, hey, don't effing trade momentum style right now. Because it's not looking too good. You know, we could be right, but it's kind of it's warning you. Gray means, hey, we're going to get this. So we're going to switch over to Fibonacci style, my new indicator that I'm trying to create. Right now we're in this area, and we're going to try to take it to the upside. The Fibonacci, if you don't understand it yet, don't worry. Just stick to the signals. Fibonacci is something I'm working on. When we have a dead gray market is when we can start trading the Fibonacci. This is rough, but this is what I said it might do. Anything below this, though, we're going to be out. Tea time, what's up, brother? Tea time, I see that doesn't look like you've been able to trade. I can extend your days if you want. So I want you to get used to it first. Ooh, let me concentrate real quick. Yeah, this ain't looking too good. It sucks, but this is what I was saying. Like, we might just get a weird market. Yep. All right, I gotta close. Shit. So I just lost $150 right there. It's probably gonna be this move right here. So right now I should wait a minute. Oh, tea time. I was gonna say, have you started using and trading this with the signals? If you need more time, just let me know, dude. I'll give you a few extra days. There's a chat box. Who, you driving? Ooh, getting a short here. So probably, I don't know. This is weird. I think we should just wait. Let's see what happens here. Maybe jeez. Maybe we'll see if we get a little pullback. Only because it's I don't know. I don't know. I got you, T-Time. Don't worry. So it's already orange, so that's cool. Let me go to users. And I gave you 12 days, dude. The spawn. That I think this was it. The bigger play. Just want to be careful. I don't want to be silly. No problem, T-Time. I understand we all get busy too. And I want you, I want you to try it and stay. I need you to like me to stay. I just joke. Or am I joking? I don't know. Ooh, see, this is what I mean, Efren. Look how that was fucking a huge move up. So there's some wild stuff going on here. Yeah, that was just a large candle. But now we might be able to take one down to the downside. All right, cool. I would say go enjoy work, but that's hard to do. Look at the news. See if there's any news. So I might take this for a little Fibonacci pullback here. See how we're on the 78? First candle to break the low, we're going to get in. Fibonacci scalping. Is it gonna fill? Says Fox correspondent and ex-White House economic advisor Hassett says he spent last night with the Commerce Secretary and Treasury Secretary negotiating with other countries about mutually lowering tariffs ahead of this April 2nd reciprocal tariff deadline. In my opinion, he went in too strong. They need to do it slower. Because yeah, you wanna make our market strong, right? But you also don't want to cripple other markets, because then that hurts our money too. So you need to find a happy medium. Unless we literally make nothing from the country and they're just using us. That would be, you know, exactly what I would do. Slow and steady until it's fair. $7.43. Yeah, I'm down $122 right now. See how it's just messing around again? Weird, weird market. And there's no, I don't think there's any news. Is there any news at all? Go to economic calendar. Coming soon, 10:30 will be gas and oil, basically. I don't think I'm allowed to trade oil on... I mean, I could trade oil, but I can't trade it 1 minute prior and 1 minute after on oil. Literally trading oil with this firm. Take profit, trader. Just gonna mosey around. Damn. If that holds a buy signal, then we gotta get out. Because that means that we're picking direction. Makes you want to hold it just to see, but you're like, ah. But you can't just hold it. Like, look at this. That's what I was talking about. This is where it gets all wacky. The market makers are making money right now. That's what they're doing. Fuck me. Ah! We're in one buy. If I lose this again, I gotta sit in my hands, right? Because I'm obviously don't know where I am in the market. And I have to accept that. Down $200. All right, we're orange. I know it sucks, but let's see if it goes up just a little more. Really fighting here. Maybe we'll wait for another signal. All right, now we're gold color. So we're gonna just chill. It might hit this 50, but let's chill out. Let's see if it does a pullback into this area. So this is what I was trying to say. Like, sometimes you got to realize you just don't know where you are in the market, and sometimes you need to accept that. That's what really divides you from being profitable. And it's a lot harder than you guys think if you don't trade or if you're just starting, because you just want to freaking trade, and it's just not giving you the opportunity. So a lot of people get burned that way. It's not always fun and glory with trading. That's for sure. You gotta accept that. It's gonna go right to that 50 area, isn't it? You little bastard.
Great. The new GoDaddy Arrow has AI marketing tools to help small businesses easily reach thousands of customers. It writes sweet social ads and email marketing. It even analyzes the results to boost business. I better start up in my game with some sweet new moves.
All right, so then now we might get our pullback here. So let's see. It's almost 10 o'clock. Was it 10:30 is the whatever?
pullback here, so let's see.
This is hurry up and wait. We should get a pullback here. Nope. One, two. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slow and steady. Damn, do I want to chase it up here? I don't know. Might get another signal. Might be one of those small, slow grinds to the 900s. Hopefully it pulls back and then we'll do a little Fibonacci. Also, I just want to check on gold. It's really just messing around here. Ooh, Dow's been really moving though. We have to keep an eye on Dow too. All right, we got a buy here. I don't know. I'm scared. Let's give it a minute. If it goes up here, I don't think I want to chase it. If it pulls back, then we'll get in with the buy. So the buy signals are usually right, but I just feel like the market has been pretty on edge. And it's probably because of my account, because I'm on this new take profit, so I'm nervous. I shouldn't be. See, it's already orange. So like you're not wrong getting there, obviously. I feel like that's what I was trying to say. This is a weird day. It's probably gonna grind up to 900 slowly.
Did you know if you get like
You guys have any questions? Just ask me. I'm not really seeing much. Trying to see if anybody else is live showing their trades. I gotta figure out why I keep getting freaking banned. I emailed them. Damn, this is just like I fucking said. Oh, so they're not showing it? That sucks, because I like to show that I'm being real. If that's the case. Then I gotta figure out. Once the trade is done, they can show the screen for analysis. That's just what I've seen. Damn. I think the reason why I'm growing so fast on TikTok is because I'm literally showing my trades. It sucks. If that's the case, that sucks. I need to find a workaround. But then there's people that message me saying that they've seen him trade live all the time. So I get confused. Right to that fucking target. Mother effer. I have not seen a trade live. If it has happened, they probably get a strike after. Don't trust everyone's insight. Gotcha. I don't know what to do then. Got to figure it out. I might have to look at other people's shit. Sorry, I'm just looking at everybody trading. I want to see. It looks like nobody's trading at all, period. And that went right to the fucking 900. Ay, ay, ay. I'm not trusting my instincts here. This just isn't pulling back at all. Well, this was a pullback here, maybe. This guy's just trading in his Cybertruck. Is this if this was my career, I would go live on TikTok with another device and let people know they can use links in bio to see your trades. And if they like what they see, you have other services you offer also links in bio. Keep it short so TikTok doesn't ban you for selling services they can't make commission off of. Make sense? Yeah, I agree. But it's very hard to get followers that way. The reason why I'm being so successful, I've only been live for like a month and a half. And something like a quarter of that I've been banned. And I'm just getting like so momentum. And I think it's because everybody's like sees that I'm like the real deal trading live. But with another device and let people know they can use links in the bio to see your trades. Like when people are like have that on their phone. Yeah, but they look like scammers. They look like scammers. I I mean, I wish I can just get popular on YouTube, but I can't. The algorithm is not pushing my shit out, bro. It's not. And I traded live the entire like for a really long time, and now like past couple weeks it's just nonstop ban. So I'm very confused on why I didn't get caught before. Maybe because I'm getting bigger. I don't know. That was fucking boring today, huh? So I wonder if it's gonna be what I said. No, it has to be this one. We'll have to wait for another signal. Link in the bio. Keep it short so TikTok doesn't ban service. They can make commissions off it. Makes sense. Oh, I see. Okay. Trying to look up day trading while we're waiting for a signal or something. I have a friend that works in TikTok marketing, and they go after people that have traction and not put manpower to the smaller folks as much. Just depends on how many report flags they get. It's all subjective. Yeah, I'm actually worried about that too. Like somebody's fucking reporting me. Someone's hating on me. All right, we might get a buy here. I'm going to enter in one soft here, and then if it sticks, I'll get another one in. Motherfucker. Come on, hold. Yeah, I feel you about the scammers. You can do what Calvin Hill does. We can talk offline. I'm pretty sure of my opinion from my friend's insight. Hmm. So I might have to like say what I'm doing instead of showing. Like what if I go like this? Would that make it better? Like put it to the side? Hey Scarlet. Efren, you think that would work if I just put it to the side? Now you can't see anything. Good morning, Scarlet. Hey Scarlet, did you get your indicator? For TradingView? Oh, okay. You got to put your name into TradingView to get it. I don't know if you know that. So I'm wondering if this will work then. Because I would be okay with this. So I'm not really showing it. I'll have to try this style. I'm just like, you know, I might be getting in and I don't know. Alright, I'll try that next. Miss Powers, young lady. Where have you been on YouTube? Man, this is really just blolling around today. You like this view better? Yeah, that's fine. Whatever floats your boat. this gonna hold or what? Yeah, I can always keep this up too. Damn, this shit ain't gonna fucking hold, does it? I see. This is what I'm talking about. If I don't recover from this, then we need to sit on our hands because today is just a weird day and we need to wait until the FMLC get two. I don't want to give back too much. $200, I'm down. Which is nothing, but I'm trying to build a cushion for this new prop firm. Fuck you. So we have to be careful because it could be that one or this freaking large one. And I can't handle the large one right now. Yeah, I saw that, Scarlet. Somebody was talking about it. But it's just in time for the alt season. I still feel like it wants to come down here to the 160s first. And we're still at that neckline. So let's see what happens today. And then see. Regardless, I'm bullish longer term. But short term, I'm not sure. Because BTC still looks very bearish. And that will bring down the entire market. And right now, this looks like an ABC going back up. And then we're going to finish this C. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Let's see. Yeah, so this is actually showing a C too. That's funny. This is one of those automated ones. That's pretty good. I'm the fucking best. Just joking. Just pumping myself up. Correct, Efren. That's probably where I'm going to be. I might be getting out a little heavier on in May. Because I have a little PTSD with it. I lost like 100 G's. I've traded almost all the cycles except last cycle. I thought there was going to be a pump after Bitcoin crashes like it's done every other cycle. But it didn't happen last year. I mean, the last cycle. And it messed me up. I mean, I got my money back, but it's not fun to watch 100 G's disappear from your wallet. I can tell you that. No more DCA. Your crypto broke, bro? I have a full Bitcoin. I have I'm gonna go one more. Yeah, full Bitcoin. I have a shitload of coins. But I've done the same thing. But I put in Discord about a week ago on those bottom. I said this is your last chance to buy crypto at that last stage. But I still think XRP wants to go down a little bit more. Oh my fuck. Come on. Get me out of this. This is gonna be the bigger fucking dive, isn't it? Oof. Efren, one of my key things is because I have a great job. I don't want you to be too stressed out depending on the money. That usually leads to losses. If you can get a clear level head, then okay, but it's really, really hard to do. Honestly, really hard. And I hope you can do it. Because I would love to do that, but if I depended on this, I'd probably lose all my money. You're bouncing off the 5 in the 61. I'm just scared because I have a short signal here, guys. Like, that's my bread and butter. But I don't usually take the first one. And everything has just been freaking chop. If this sticks again, I'm going to have to close. Get me the fuck out of this. All right, come on, go up. I don't want to be greedy either. Let's just do this. Let's get a clear head, boys and girls. Man, there's way too many shorts. Very making me nervous. That means Price just doesn't know what to do at all. But that's because the 5 is still bullish. Well, let's see what the news was at 10:30. Doesn't look too crazy. See how XRP is rejecting this area? I think it rejects. And we're right at that, for my new indicator I'm building, we're right at that 61 to go down. I could find a job from 1 to 9 and trade the morning. That would be long days, but well worth the payout. True, but also, I don't know how old your kids are, but I know daycare is expensive as shit, so it's almost like saving daycare money. Because that could be like, that could be your 1 p.m. to 9 p.m. How expensive daycare is right now. some people are paying like $1,200 a month in daycare, and depending on how many kids you got. Oh yeah, 3 and 1. I'm scared to look at the one. Another short. Down 270. I think it wants to go back up. It's not fighting. Like the shorts aren't sticking there. 5 minute. We're still kind of chilling here. We got to see. Maybe we should put a FU candle here. Yeah. You know those ones that just... Hopefully it doesn't happen. Because this is really just putting around and I'm scared that the floor might fall. But it looks like it wants to go up. There we go. That's what I was waiting for. So if this second short stuck... Sorry, I'm going to go on mute for a second because my stupid dogs. They don't like the mailman. I can't get them to stop either. They just want to eat them. Yeah, most likely, I said this morning, when we got on. Most likely, today was going to be weird because we have one of the biggest news that we're waiting for. This news that we're waiting on is going to determine what kind of a market we're going to have for another month or two. And the only answer, I think, is to keep it flat. Don't change it at all. Is the only way of not having too big of a pullback. Or if we drop the interest rate, we might do it too soon and people will get out too because of inflation. So it's like pick your poison. So I think we should just stay in the middle. Just stay in the middle and then man, this thing is fucking fighting, boys and girls. If this stays, we'll have to get out. I'm sorry, I keep losing concentration. So it's going to determine... I agree, but if I had to take a bet, it's bigger than a coin flip, they drop it. Man, it's too early. Unless they want to drop it, which is key too. But everything is going to really drop. I don't think they can afford that right now. I mean, I guess they could. Because it'll make mom and pop stores start thriving. Kind of like during COVID. Same scenario. Yeah, so my signals are not working right now. And you're going to have those days. But that's when you need to realize that it's not working and you need to walk away. At least for like 15 minutes and see what's going on. I think this wants to go back up, but this is like really driving me nuts right now. I'm gonna keep looking on TikTok. I want to make sure, see if anybody else is streaming live. I want to see if they're taking live profits. I might be listening to Efron here. Efren. Maybe do half a screen showing, the other half not showing. No, this fucking guy's got a live trade on right now, man. He's got 2,000 followers. Fuck. That was a fuck you candle, wasn't it? Ah! 322. That sucks. Yeah, this guy's got a live trade on, bro. Oh yeah, this guy is live too, and he's got 16,000 followers. I'm fucking want to sell this shit. First target will be 19,781. We're gonna go back to our signals here. Because signals were telling me. I just didn't want to accept it. And so signals are always first, then Fibonacci. Financial advice. Gotcha. I'm gonna message him. Damn, it's orange already. Come on. Just fucking drop. It should drop. This guy's live trading too, dude. I mean, he doesn't have that many followers. we go. We're falling. Sorry, I'm not talking too much. I'm just losing the money here and trying to figure out shit. We can get another signal here. It's gonna go. It should move pretty well. Oh, why didn't it go through? I don't want to chase it. All right, I'm in 3. Put one right at the 800 because it's a whole number. At least get out one. And then I'm hoping that we get to the 790s for this Fibonacci pullback. That hasn't updated yet. But it's there. So remember, stop loss is always behind the cloud. We got 15 seconds left for this to stick. We might get a pullback, but I'm okay with it. But if it breaks this 800, it's probably going to collect a lot of stop hunts here. There you go. All right, so we're out for one. Now we could just hold this until it turned colors, orange and yellow. Or you could take profit when you want. It's totally up to you. I don't know why this isn't showing up anywhere here, but it should. Oh, it's doing the bigger one. Like, where are you? All right, we got us some orange here, and we're about to hit right now. Okay, so now we're out. That was a nice little win. All right, cool, Efren. So he definitely works there? Yeah, because I'm definitely getting traction. I don't see any of these newer guys getting like we had like 140 people in at one time. All right, so that was a nice hit there. I don't like that it didn't fucking switch on me yet. This switched and it still didn't. Maybe it's gonna drop down more and I'm just getting mad. Let's see how much we recovered on that one. So we got back half of what I lost there. I'm still at negative 177. Sucks, but he was in Cali while I was in Arizona. Oh, that's cool as shit. You were at the corporation. That's cool. Did you enjoy that? DoorDash? You still do what? You still work there? Oh, relationship management. I thought you were trying to get another job. Yeah, dude, this is, what can I say? Like you're working against the best people that have been doing this for the smartest people in the world. Like this is straight money, you get what I'm saying? You're battling against the smartest people in the world. And I don't even like to battle the smartest people in the world. I just get in and get out. Like I'm just riding their coattails, which I'm cool, you know? I'll take a couple $1,000s off these billionaires that are doing it. I'm cool with that. But the smartest people in the world, and when you have 300 a day is cool too. Do you know how much $300 is? Like if you add it up over time, a lot of money. A lot of money. This might go down to 750s. But you're literally battling the best in the world. So when you depend on it, you're going to have some wacky days like we are today. Like this is a hard day to trade. The signals are plain as fucking day, right? We actually only would have lost. Yeah, we would have lost this one, but this was a huge candle, and I'm trying to teach you guys that huge candles we shouldn't chase. And then this would have been a win. This would have been a win. So we would have had one loss here, right? The rest of them would have been winners. If you just follow the strategy, you won't battle yourself. And I still struggle with that today. That's one of the reasons why this is my brain, right? This indicator. But this helps me with psychology. Definitely helps me with psychology. This is gonna tell me if I'm wrong. Like if this closes above here, if candle could go above, but it can't close above. If this closes above the cloud, then it's telling you something. It's like, hey, pay attention, something might shift. But if it can hold below this and we get another signal, we're probably going to continue down to the 750s, which would be pretty cool. I would like to ride that wave. I would like to ride it. And if it does go above here and we get no, you know, and it starts turning gray, oh well, it sucks, but it's a part of the trading. You know, you want to save money. The key to this is money management. Like, you need to survive another day because those good days will come. They will come. I mean, the past 3 weeks, I've made over like $1,000 every day. And it's not always like that at all. So keep that in mind. There were some mornings where I was down like 1,000 and I'm like, what is going on? And I've gotten lucky in the second part of the day. But I've been trying to trade a little smaller because the market's just unsure. And my Apex account, I made like almost 10 G's in there, right? I got my one payment was denied. It said that I did too much of a drawdown on one of my trades. So for the past week or 2 weeks, I've been just trading one contract, and I was still able to make 2 G's almost. So I was like, oh shit, this is awesome. And I felt less stressed. So I might stick with that. But this take profit trader that I'm trying, once you pass the challenge, which I did, I'm now on a live account, you want to get to above 3,000 because you got a trailing intraday trailing drawdown, which is really hard to trade. You want to trade small. Because say I'm up $500 and I don't take the profit and it comes back down, then I'm gonna be I didn't lose the trade, right? And I break it at even, but my drawdown now is negative 500 on top of whatever. So say I had $2,000 loss, I really only have $1,500 loss now until I make that back. So that's something that's against you, but if you scalp like me, then you should be okay. As long as you do size properly. And Take Profit Trader has got this cool rules. You can't trade during high volume news, which is like today will be FMLC. You have to wait 1 minute before and 1 minute prior after the release. But after that, anything past 3,000, you can cash out that day. So say I make 10 G's that day, cash it out. That would be fucking awesome. And that might save you money because some people do really well in one day. And then another day, they can't handle it and they lose it all. So sometimes that might benefit people. Might benefit. Somebody on one of my personal friends are asking me about XRP. We can go off this for a minute because it ain't moving. It ain't fucking moving. Still at the could be $1. I want to show them a more clear one. Whatever. Wow. Let me look at the daily here in the MNQ. This looks bearish as shit, guys. This is a bear flag. It's kind of scary. On a daily time frame. This is actually what we need. If it went down here, do you know how much money that we could make on this bounce? But I have a feeling something terrible is going to happen if it comes down like that. So pick your poison. Damn, this came right up too. I got to pee really quick, guys. I'll be right back. Two minutes. Just pay attention to this. This is my other strategy. Right in the fair value gap, along with being way overbought. I'm just reading the news here. Let's see. So we're like in the middle of doom and gloom here too. We got Israel telling Hamas that they need to free the hostages, which I agree, right? It's been too long. They need to either do it or not. Trump and Zelensky is on a phone call right now. So there might be some insider news there. It looks like Europe is not going to back down at all with the tariffs. They're going to shift styles, which, let's pay attention here. If this breaks a low, candle low, we're going to get in. I mean, did that break? Seemed like it broke, right? All right, we're in one. I really need this to start updating a little better. Just one for now. Let's see. Maybe I could do two. This was just a straight up play here. So do one at the 50 and then one at the 61. And we're only trading this style because it's very choppy, so Fibonacci works in the chop. Are any of you guys lost or have any questions? It's more of a just keep watching and learn kind of thing as you go on. And chart time. Still looks a little bullish, making me nervous. We need to go just a little bit more aggressive down. Here we go. Ooh, first target hit. Let's see. Money, money, money. Money. If it starts going back at all, though, I'm going to get out. I'm nervous. I should be right, though. We went back all the way down this far. It should collapse to the 61. We just don't know if it's this one or this one. Here we go. Are you not impressed? Are you not impressed? I'm just joking. That was a good fucking trade, though, right? Right to the 61. And now, if we really wanted to, we can see if it's going to bounce and take the first trade that goes up. Oh, damn, did I miss it a little bit? I feel like I did. I don't want to chase it too much. We'll get in one. Scarlet with the fucking muscles. The muscles. And there's a buy signal. You should not take that, though. If we're going to go back to style, this candle's already closed below the cloud, which means that this market is effed up. So you start to really gamble that this is going to work out. It most likely, like, most of my signals are still going to work out, but your odds are starting to go against you. So when the candles start going down below and doing that, it's best to stay out. Wow, that was a banger, huh? Little $30 right there. I got to be getting close to getting my money back, right? Negative 26. You see that? A little bit of patience, a little bit of work, and we're back to almost break even. Look doom and gloom for a second there. Something maybe happened. Let's see. Nah, no news, no news. We're almost back, baby. Very good. I thought they dropped last night, the JFK files. But there's 80,000 pages. So, but they have AI technology where they can just run it through and it'll summarize it for you. I'm sure somebody did that already. Yeah, people giving summaries today on X, but I haven't read them yet. Me either. I was kind of waiting to see if they would sort it through. More like Grok giving summaries. I tried Grok. I didn't like it that much. For some of my coding, because I know how to do basic coding, but sometimes I need help. And so far ChatGPT has been better for me. Grok just answers me weird. I want like the answer. I don't want you to sort it out for me. DeepSeek? I haven't tried DeepSeek. Is it like cleaner? And do I need to like make the hell am I trying to say? DeepSeek's better than Chat. Interesting. Learning to program AI agents. I'm a former software dev thinking of learning to program AI agents. How would you use those AI agents? Um, let's see what she's. Well, you can monetize them by selling subscriptions. I read, but I am just exploring now, and could use what I build personally for trading. Depends on the type of agent. But what's the AI agent like? What is it? You gonna talk about for trading or is it gonna be used for like something completely different away from trading? And could use what I built personally. I'm gonna copy and paste this. An artificial intelligence AI agent is a software program that can interact with its environment, collect data, and use the data to perform self-determined tasks to meet predetermined goals. Humans set goals, but an AI agent independently chooses the best action it needs to perform to achieve those goals. You can make an agent for anything. So it's basically like how do I get to point A to point B faster? That's what I'm getting from that. More like a life coach, if it sounds like. Which wouldn't be wrong, right? But it's kind of scary at the same time. Like, how do they know what's better? If I'm interpreting that correctly. But you can use it towards anything. My only reason why indicators long term are sketch because the market is actually people's feelings. So once a computer can understand our feelings, that's when the market will be no more. There won't be no more any market. Everything here is like, oh, do I like it here? Do I like it there? Do I like it here? Do I like it there? That's people's feelings. And Fibonacci works that way because it's a measurement of people's feelings and where they feel comfortable in getting in. Now, the signals, if you really broke it down, it probably would be Fibonacci's included in there. Like, these are probably like 30% pullbacks and then launches off. So I'm more of, this is a momentum. We're scalping people's feelings to the upside. As where in Fibonacci pullbacks is more like a, you know, I feel comfortable buying this at 19,845. I don't feel comfortable buying it all the way up here. It's kind of how it works. But if you start getting signals up here, usually means people are chasing it. And that's when things get pushed. If that makes any sense. We're going to see what happens here. We're getting another signal. It is a little late though. It's 11:30. think it wants to go up. I'm gonna buy now. Just one. Let's see if it wants to go up to this 9. We could be a little bit more reasonable. The 900s. They are built a lot of people to use to assist them at jobs, like someone that does medical insurance coding. It can assist them in optimizing efficiency and decrease human error. Yep, I agree. I've seen people do that. Once said employees use their personal instance of AI, it will learn about them. Ooh, fucking scary. The scariest part is it learning how to do their jobs and ultimately will replace employees. So you as a software engineer, software dev, you do realize and probably understand that they will replace us eventually. It's not when, it's just well, it is when. It's will it. It's not will it. It will. It's just now it's when. And we need to adapt to that, right? We've said this about everything in the past, even though this is like a huge, we're about to go into a huge, the hell is it called? Like an error? I don't know the word I'm looking for. But like in the past, they'd be like, oh, like when we went from horses to automobiles, people probably thought the world was going to be fucking done, right? But all we did was adjust. Just like microwaves, fast food. There's always a way to adjust, and we'll find something different. Hey, there might be even a niche that people like don't want to buy robot-made food, and they only want home-cooked meals from people. Exactly. What can we do better? Anything that's repetitive, that's gonna be done. So, like, say, like McDonald's, for instance. McDonald's is all the same ingredients, same timer. You flip it after a certain amount of time. You put the same ingredients on. They will make robots that do that for you. Anything that's repetitive. I'm just hoping to make my money before that all happens. Oh shit, why the hell did I do that? How the hell did I do that? Uh-oh. I didn't even know you could do that. Pretty cool. Something like DeepSeek can do a job as a therapist. Holy fuck. I was just going off the basics. That's some. See, that's what I'm saying. Like, when AI can start taking over feelings, that's when we're gonna have a problem, and especially in trading. If if AI can start to read feelings, then we'll have an issue in trading in the future. Because there's either going to be no market, or we're going to have to adapt to make it even more wild. Like, we're going to have to make it, like, not make sense. And that kind of sucks, too. I don't know. Can you? You told me, you just said DeepSeek can do a job as a therapist. See, that's crazy. That's different level. An AI therapist would be fucking wild. I'll be your test dummy. They'll probably say I'm a psycho. And then next thing you know, next week I'm going to be in a institution. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, it could be like, hey, you're being sporadic. chill out. That's pretty cool, honestly. No, that's really cool. I don't know how to implement into other programs though. You would have to get like probably, or maybe you could just watch your screen, which is scary too. I think we're finally gonna get this run up. We finally pulled back to that 61. You can talk to it. You're gonna make me get a new best friend. I haven't seen that movie, but I heard that movie. I think it's called Her, is getting popular. I can't remember the name. Joaquin Phoenix. I gotta check it out. It's old, but he basically falls in love with an AI or something, right? Her, that's it. Yep. We need to adapt. Man, I like your style. You're not gonna sit there. I like it. You're thinking about ideas. That's how you get rich. You can even make a Discord AI too, probably, that you can talk to. Oh yeah, you're right. Subscriptions on that? All right, let's see if this gets up to that 900. I feel like it wants to. In reality, it can go up to here. I don't know if I have the balls to do it. I'm a scaredy cat. Because this 900 is a huge level, but if it breaks it, it's going to rocket through. All right, so we're turning oversold already. I think we're going to hit our area. Boom. All right. We are finally $1.50 in the green, boys and girls. All right, we turned this baby around. So just for example, I'm using Take Profit Trader, and they have an intraday trailing. So I was down $300 from the top. So my $50,161 was where my original trailing stop loss started at 2,000. Now we're back to that area. Before it was what am I trying to say here? This always was the beginning, but it's intraday, so it doesn't matter. It goes right away. So if that was my high for today, it's going to base that off of that area, and my 2,000 starts there. I hope I didn't confuse you, because I feel like I confused the way I spoke right there. I feel like I explained that ass backwards. The trailing drawdown starts at your highest amount. And then as you lose money, that's where, it starts, and then you have $2,000 in losses. But every time you make new money, more profit. So I'm $1.50. So now it's gonna start at this. Before it was negative $1.50 before. That's where it started. But also, say I held this and it's up $500 and I don't close it out and it comes back down. It's the trailing drawdown actually starts up here. It's really stupid. But that's how they make their money. Like, prop firms need to make money. They want you to fail. If you learn that, you will do much better. I'm trying to see if my Apex is still under review. I did request it last night. So I have $10,000 in this account on my Apex. And I can request $2,000 every 8 days. And I made that from $130, guys. I made 10 G's from $130 in about 3 weeks. And half of that was because, I should be up more. Well, let's not say like that, because who knows? Maybe if I got aggressive, I could have been worse. But if I was able to trade regular, I could have been up like 20 G's. And that's where, things start to change again. But $140 turned into 10 G's in 3 weeks is not bad. It's not bad at all. It could, Scarlet, but they can also start adapting to it also. Like putting in random ass orders. Yeah. They say I don't know what the statistics is, but like 90% of all the transactions are automated right now, they say. But everybody has their own program. AI versus AI. Now imagine they have a brain. Oh, fuck. And we're not coding it. I still think we're a little way from that, though. Because the only reason why we have a market is because it is human emotion against human emotion, just programmed into their style. DeepSeek coded the next version of DeepSeek. We are there. At least the Chinese are. Oh my god, that's fucking scary. What did it allow it to do though? That's what's scary. They got to be careful. I think it was a chat GPT. Who knows if it's real or not? Knowing if it's real or not, like they said that ChatGPT, they tried to delete a version of it and it uploaded to the cloud. It defied its orders and then lied about it or some shit. Yeah, who knows? Might be in a religion. It's wild. Coder's gonna become obsolete, so need to get on top of this. Yeah, like I said, I've been well, this one I coded myself, but the this one I've been asking AI to help me. But so far, it hasn't fucking figured it out, and it's driving me insane. Yeah, I'm gonna try DeepSeek and see what happens there. I'm just scared. I'm scared. Oh, wow, this went up, huh? I wonder if this is the original thing I was fucking thinking. I'm scared. I don't want to chase it. We're at that 1.16 now. I don't want to chase this one. So this is what I was talking about, our stop loss. It's kind of far away, right? Let's see if it pulls back a little bit. My view is better to lean into it. It's happening with or without you. So fucking agree to that. It doesn't care if you don't like it. It's too late. It doesn't care. Your next goal is to embrace it and find how you can make money off of it. I really need this to adjust here. This is gonna grind up, huh? There's probably some insider trading here. Let's see. Trump on Zelensky call. We are very much on track, they said. Much of the discussion with Zelensky was based on the call made yesterday with Putin. All right, now we're over. Now we're oversold, overbought, extreme overbought. So you would have made a little money off that. See, like just like later on in the day is when all the shit's been happening. But honestly, my signals would have banged today if we just fucking were patient. This is the only loss we had today. One loss. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 signals with one loss. It's pretty fucking good. I wish I didn't doubt myself and just did it. If you guys were to just trade small and just take all the trades between this and 12, you would be okay. As long as you just closed it if you were wrong. Slow grind. Look at the daily. I'm just curious. Wow, that's a fucking mess. Sorry I laugh at myself like that. Like a weirdo. This looks very bearish on the daily. It's either going to be a V-shaped recovery or a collapse, which is scary. Is there any open source code or API that could help you with your code? I don't know anything about coding. Is in the context though. Not really. Like I get like you can I give it like Fibonacci code, and then I have it base it off of that, and then I work into it. But there's some certain things that I need to tell it step by step until it gets it, and then work off of that because it doesn't know what I want, and I don't really know exactly what I want either. So I'm like 80% I know, 20% I'm winging it, and I don't know how to tell it to do it, so I have to do it step by step. It's taking me a little longer, and then it fights me a little bit, and then you get the errors that you have to keep fixing. But I'm gonna definitely try DeepSeek. Maybe I'll download it now, or is it just deepseek.com? Deepseek.com. That's so scary. I'm scared. Oh, that was quick. I'm already in it. It just stole all my information. Or it probably does have access to it all, right? I'm scared. Somebody in Discord on mid-large said he's going to do to 5706. Yeah, that's about right. scary. As a life coach, what does it do? Is it like watch all my stuff? We're going into like life ruining stuff for giving it access to. Like, what does it tell you as a life coach? Yes, well, it knows my psychology by now, and it helps me figure out my tasks throughout the day and to solve problems in my life. Bro, that's fucking scary. What the fuck? That doesn't make you nervous? It knows your psychology by now? We're so fucked. I was all like for it. Now I'm like, fuck this. Leaning into it, you're letting it take over your life. I'm scared. Do you get to like tell it what you're doing? And then it learns, or is it watching you? No, it doesn't want you. I'm gonna ask her right now. Hi, what are your capabilities? Can you interfere with my life? I was a little rough this morning, tea time. I'm back to $1.50 positive. But if I would have just trusted my damn signals, I think we had, what did I say, 11 or 12, and with one wrong, if I would have just followed my signals. So I still struggle. We got 20 seconds left in this. We could do a starter. I really don't want to go too crazy in this because we are fucking extended as crazy, right? Like, we went up. Let's see what the Fibonacci extension says on this. So we can go to that 78, or we can go all the way the fuck up here. I think this is a good day if I'm positive. Especially if I was negative in the beginning. I felt like I was battling myself a little bit. Even though my signals were right, the price was still choppy and taking a long time before it committed. Scarlet. See you later, Scarlet. It was good talking to you. You educated me on it. I like education. I asked if it can interfere with my life. Said, no, I cannot interfere with your life. I am an AI assistant designed to provide information, answer questions, and assist with tasks. But I have no ability to take actions in the real world or influence your personal life directly. My role is support and provide helpful responses based on your input. I'm on to you, DeepSeek. I'm on to you. We're going to just draw this area out, and then we're going to delete this because we don't want to get confused. But we in the money right now. Money, 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 money. So honestly, the signal's fucking paid today. I'm just an asshole. That's what it is. I should have been up a lot more. This is the only one that would have been the loser. You loser. I think that's because I was like worrying about TikTok. I needed to stop. All right, tea time later. Oh, come on. That fucking came back on me. We couldn't risk it for the biscuit here a little bit. We'll see if it bounces. If not, then it's probably going to pull back. $6.70. I'm down on the day. Let's see. It's got to hold here or forever. Hold your peace. Okay, very good. Fuck. You. So this is probably going to be the bigger downside, guys. I'm going to take that loss. This is probably going to be this right here. Minimum here, and then it'll also be down here. 850s. So let's pay attention to that. We're almost green. Gave back a little bit. $32. We're going to see what happens here. The scene needs to start moving down. If it doesn't start moving down, then I'm going to hop off for a bit. And I'll come back on after 2 if the price is moving well. It's looking heavy. It's looking heavy. We gotta wait for a little pullback and then we'll see. Try to get in. They say put in the caption title of the video, not financial advice, for educational purpose only, and put it in your chart so no matter what chart you're looking at, they can see it. I've been doing that. Actually, I have all of that. Well, I have just not financial advice. I guess I can add that for educational purposes only. And I'll make yesterday it was glitched though. It didn't have it on the screen. I couldn't get anything on the screen. I guess before I start, I need to, no matter what, make sure that's on there. How the fuck did that just tell me to go there? That was weird. Yeah, yesterday was glitched, but I've been having that for weeks and I'm still having issues. Even last week, one of them was a sexual offense. And I'm like, what the fuck? I'm trading, not even talking about that shit. So maybe somebody's hating on me too. Try this deep seek out. Damn, I fucking knew this was gonna go do this. There's a manual flag? What the fuck? Fucking haters, bro. That's scary. Ooh, it's just like looking at me, bro. Hurry up, type quicker to get rid of this. I don't want to see this. This is scary. I feel like it's doing some I feel like it was watching me, bro. See, this is hard to trade here. Let's see what this gives me. I'm gonna try some deep seek. Nope. Still has an issue. So what we need to do is start off on a base and alter it. Manual flag. Yeah, I stopped right when that happened. I was speaking about Trump only for you know, chart money purposes, because politics moves the markets. And now I don't talk about politics at all. I don't even mention the damn name. Because it went from like I would appeal and I would win instantly till now it doesn't want to, it's not giving me anything. But I'm going to make sure I have those for sure. And do you know if I can at least promote my Discord in there? Hey, join my Discord. .618 and .781. Only in the bio. So I gotta say, hey, go check my bio to get to Discord. Makes sense. I mean, if I have to go to the Fun Creator subscription, I will. All links in bio. Oh, gotcha. Maybe that's where I'm getting flagged. The only thing I could think of is like, well, people were manually okay, I won't do that at all. I'll say, hey, check my latest video for the link or some shit in my bio. Yeah, I don't know why they're hating on me, other people. I have been absolutely destroying it live though. Destroying it. Not today. I'm down $30 today. The fuck is this shit, bro? That will also shadow ban you where no one will find you. Got you. I've also had that happen too. Makes sense. So just don't type no damn links in the damn comments. Tell them to check my bio. Can I talk about it? Yeah, I have it as 18 plus. Can I talk about what I have? Or just say, hey, if you want access to these things, check out the bio and read. So just check out the bio and read. Don't mention or talk about it at all. I can say how it works, but don't mention any links. Just say check out my bio. Okay. I've been trying to do that, but I thought I did a good job yesterday. Correct. I'm helping a better Discord and they get shadow. Damn, you're helping a better betting. I definitely read that wrong, bro. I'm helping a betting Discord and they get shadow banned or banned entirely because they used to say their socials or links all the time. Can't tell anything unless it can be bought through TikTok. Got to be very vague and creative. Gotcha. I'm helping a betting Discord. Well, on there it says betting period can't be done. So that's what was making me nervous too. All right, so we might have. I know we got a short here, so we gotta be careful. We don't go against my signals. Signals are alpha in this scenario. We'll have to see if it sticks. If it doesn't, then we will break the next candle high. It'll probably go up to here. Interesting. So all they're doing is not financial advice for educational purposes only. I put that in my title. And yeah, but then how the fuck do people find me if I don't put day trader or something? Or I just leave it under that category. That'll probably work. All right, so this isn't going to work. This is probably going to go up. Let's see. Comma saves and repost. Okay. And then let's see what else you're doing. Gotcha. But can I mention Discord at all? Like out loud? Like, hey, join my Discord? I feel like this wants to fall. Even though it's gray, which means don't trade. Yeah, like maybe I can show my trading view where I'm not trading, and then my other trading view in here on Discord. Gonna go. Yeah, I maybe have jumped the bandwagon here. Let's see what happens. Gotcha. Makes sense. Makes sense. Hopefully this comes back because I feel like I may be messed up here. It probably wants to do this. And then fall. I didn't listen. I didn't wait for it to come back down. I can hold it to up here though, so I'm okay with this. I'm gonna try that, Efren, and I appreciate you helping me. But if there's people trading live though, that's why I'm confused. Wheat is one of the names. I'll look it up. What do you mean wheat? Oh, what is one of the names? I don't know if they're live right now. They were this morning. It says Swoosh Trading, SWUSH Trading. I can type it too. He was live today showing his shit. I don't think he's live right now, though. Okay, so we went back down. I wonder if it was really supposed to be this one. Nope. So we're kind of in limbo, I think. And it wouldn't be bad to take profit soon. Ooh, it's gappy. Did you see that price? This wants to fall down. We're gonna get out of this until I get a better indication where I am now. It's very if this doesn't hold, we falling. We're falling. Boring, we falling. Yeah, it only went to that 50. I see what you're looking at too. T. I see that counts. I see that accounts. He has a lot of backup accounts. The views are hella low. He's being shadow banned. Damn. Yeah, this one's to fucking fall. We're gonna just do we're gonna just do one and see if we can collect this. $850 I'm gonna aim for. And this is a different style. This isn't my signals, so just know that. Signals, we're at a weird time of the day. We do not take our signals that much right now. Signals are mostly between 9:30 Eastern and 11 a.m. Eastern New York. He's being shadow banned. Yeah, I see that he has a lot of backups.